So assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build uh, an apply discount function, which is a lab in our Python certification series. So let's get started. So we will write a function that calculates the final price of an item after applying a percentage discount. So you should define a function named apply discount. So let's make a function apply discount, and let's set its value to be 0 for now. So we have to make a function which is apply discount, and it takes exactly two parameters. First one is price and second one is discount. The function should return, so we have to use a return keyword, the string. The price should be a number. The price should be a number. So okay, we have to return this string when price is not a number. Okay, we have to check the type of the price parameter. So what we can do, we have to check the types of the price variable. So what we can use the type function and give the price variable as an argument, and check whether it is equal to int or so the price variable should be a number, integer or float. So if price is not equal to integer and or just so let's see. So this will return the data type of the price variable. If it is equal to int, it will return true, and there is an OR operator, hence this if code block will be executed, and this one checks whether the price variable is a float. If yes, then this will be executed. So only one of these statements have to be true to make this statement executable, and if the price is not a number, so if it is not a integer and if it is not a float, so this will be executed, but we have to negate it. So So what we are doing here, we are checking whether the price is an integer or price is a float. If it is a number, whether int type or float type, it will return true, so it is a number. But we don't have to execute this line when the price is a valid number, but we have to do in it the other way around. So we will negate it using the not operator. What it will do, if the price is a valid variable, it will return true from this inner statement, and we will negate it to not, then this statement will not be executed. If if the inner statement gives false, we will negate it with not operator, and it will invert it to true, and this statement will be executed. So let's move on. If discount is not a number, integer or float, the function should return the string. The discount should be a number. So we have to do the same thing with the discount variable. We just have to change the name. So these two statements are not related. So what we can do, we can just copy paste the discount variable's name wherever the price variable's name is written. So yes, and the price is less than or equal to 0, the function should return the string the price should be greater than 0. So this other statement is related to this, because we are checking a single a number, a single variable. So if the discount, so if the price is less than or equal to 0, we are checking for price. So what we can do, if price is less than or equal to 0, we have to use elif, because we have already used if. So if price is less than or equal to 0, the function should return the string. So function should return the string, this one, the price should be greater than 0. So if discount is less than or greater than 100, let's write it again. So if discount is less than 0, or greater than 100, or greater than 100, and the function should return the string. The function should return the string the discount should be between 0 and 100. If both inputs are valid, the function should calculate the discount as a percentage of price. So let's write else. If both inputs are valid, So we should have a apply discount function. Apply discount, yes, should take two parameters. Yes, we are taking two parameters. Apply discount is called with a price, so we have to call this function. And so first argument is price. Let's give it 300. It should return so in this test we have to give uh, an argument that is not a number. So let's give it a string. And let's also do the same with the discount argument. So we are returning what we say, so we are returning a string. So we have to use the print function to show this on the terminal, and for this purpose we have to put this function call in the print function. When discount, so let's give it, so let's run two tests. First, in the first function call we are giving an invalid price argument, but we are giving a valid discount value. So let's give it 12, and we will do the opposite of it in the next function call. Let's copy this, paste it, and we are going to do the opposite. So yes, we are getting our desired results because we have not given a valid price value. We are getting the price should be a number from the first function call. In the second function call we are getting that the discount, which is second argument, should be a number. So when apply discount is called with a price, so let's call this again, but this time, so what we are going to do in the third function call, we are going to give the value of price which is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. It's less than or equal to 0, so we are giving 0. We can also give it a negative number. So from this third function call we are getting the price should be greater than 0. But you should be wondering why we are not getting the string that the discount should be a number, because we are returning a single line of string when a statement when a condition is met. So what does the return keyword do? It returns a value and exits the function. So this is it, and we can also give a negative number here, so we are getting the same results. And if I give 1, yes, so we are getting the error for second argument. So when apply discount function is called with a discount lower than 0 or greater than 100, so let's call it the fourth time. Let's give it a valid price value and discount lower than 0 or greater than 100. So let's check it for lower than 0. Lower than 0, so first we have to check it with one negative. So yes, for the fourth function call we are getting the discount should be 0 and discount should be between 0 and 100, yes, or greater than 100. We can also check this with values greater than 100 for discount variable. So yes, we are getting the same error. Apply discount 100 should return 80. I thought why should not be just use ellipse, because if the first statement is true, this value will be returned and the function will be terminated and all the other things will not be executed. So let's group them all, and in the end we have to write else. And what we can do, we can apply the discount formula. So we are going to return the final price. So price into discount of 20 is applied. So discount into so discount is a percentage value. So we can divide it by 100 and then multiply it with the price. So what we are doing here, as the discount variable has a value that is in percentage, like 40%, we are converting it into decimal value by dividing it with 100, and then we are multiplying it with the price variable to get the total price. But we should not do it like this. So we have to add this up. So what we are doing here, I am converting the percentage value discount variable to a decimal value, then this decimal value will be multiplied with the original price, and then we will get the amount of discount a user gets. So discount on a total price is the amount that will be deducted from the total price after being purchased. So total price, so this whole discount will be deducted from the total price. So let's run some tests. Apply. Okay, we have to use the print function again. So if we give 100 and a 20, then we are getting 80. Yes, so this is true. Our discount function is running exactly true. So if we give 250, we will get 100. Yes, we are getting 100. So 50 and 0 will return 50 because no discount is applied. Yes, when apply discount is called with discount of 100. So if there is any value like 500 or 567 and we are giving a 100% discount, so it will be free and total price will be 0. Apply discount 7. So if we give the price 74.5 and discount of 20.0% on that price, we should get 59.6, and yes, we are getting it. So yes, we have completed our lab successfully, and this was really easy. So where we are, so yes, we have completed our lab, which was making a function that will calculate the discount on a total price. So we are just on the end of Python basics. We have completed all, we have almost completed this module. Just 4 more modules, and we will move to loops and sequences. Till then, Allah Hafiz.